How to create a distribution list in Yahoo Mail. If your Yahoo Mail does not have built-in distribution list feature, you can create a contact group to send emails to multiple people at once. And here is how. Open your Yahoo Mail application. From the home screen, you have to select Contacts from the down right corner. Then you have to tap on plus icon. You can name the group, for example, like team member or family. Then tap save. Then you have to tap on compose. In to field, type the group name. Yahoo will suggest the saved group. Tap it to add all members. You can type your message and send the email to everyone in the group. And that's it. Now you know how to create a distribution list in Yahoo Mail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.